In this video, we will be removing a hinge in a casement window and installing the 36-048 2-bar hinge set. For this project, you'll need eye protection, gloves, and both a Phillips head and slotted screwdriver. We will be working with the SWISCO 36-048 2-bar hinge set and the 75-034 adjustable hinge wrench. You may need new screws on installation. We recommend the SWISCO 33-011 number 8 screw. To get started, unlock and open your window. This will give you access to both the top and bottom hinges on the sash frame. Next, you need to disconnect the operator from the bottom of the window sash. Do this by uncoupling the short arm from the sash bracket on the window and sliding out the roller arm from the window track. Now use your slotted screwdriver to disconnect the sash hinge from the base stud pin on the track. Do this on both the top and the bottom. Then, carefully remove the sash, sliding it out of the hinge base. You can now remove the top and bottom track bases from the window frame. Before installing the new hinge set, separate the two pieces using the slotted screwdriver on the detach clip. Take the hinge bases and install them on both the bottom and the top of the window frame. Then install the new sash arms on the sash. It's best to do this one at a time so that you properly install the new hinge at the correct position. Now you're ready to reinstall the casement sash. Slide the plastic hinge shoe into the base. Repeat this for both the top and the bottom. Then line up the hole in the sash arm with the stud pin in the hinge's base. Secure it with the detach clip using the slotted screwdriver. Finally, reconnect the operator to the window sash by first installing the short link arm back onto the sash bracket with the slotted screwdriver. Then the roller arm back into the sash track. Test the window to make sure it opens and closes properly. If you find that the sash is rubbing up against the window stop, or if the sash is too far from the window stop and not sealing properly, you can use the 75-034 hinge wrench to make adjustments. Place the hinge wrench under the hinge pin at the base and turn it a 1/4 turn at a time until your sash is properly aligned. Now check your Windows operation to confirm that it can close and lock without issue. For all these parts and more, visit SWISCO.com.